Satu hari stesen manager punya anak crossing kereta api mau abang dia langgar dia, so dia selamatkan dia. So stesen manager sangat gembira bagi dia satu cabin, train cabin. Sebab dia buat apa-apa bisnes lah. So dia buat surat khabar. Because dulu surat khabar satu bandar punya mereka saja. So dia punya surat khabar banyak bandar, so sangat laris. So dia jadi kaya lah. So lepas itu dia beli kimia. Kerana masa itu sains ialah kimia, belum ada sains elektrik. So cuba-cuba lama-lama meletup. And then mungkin station manager sama atau lain dia hantam dia kena itu meletup. Hantam dia sini, so dia bekat lah 80% bekat. So lepas itu dia jadi antara orang terkaya di US. Doktor cakap dia boleh BP itu. Oh, nama-nama saya suka itu bekat. Boleh buat eksperimen. So the first electric grid system. Dulu battery you connect pada selalu lampu. Dia buat, okay, saya masuk genset, dia tukar pada DC, dia hantar ramai orang. Okay. First yang buat itu ialah Edison. Okay. So dia ada syarikat Edison. Okay. So jadi kaya lah. In fact sekarang dia ada masalah dengan orang ini. Dia ambil ini dari Europe. Dia PhD. Dia kindergarten negara, tapi dia ada PhD dari Europe. Dia dari Serbia. Okay. Serbia, dan dia belajar engineering di Germany. So dia ambil dia sebagai pekerja. First task is, okay, genset dia ada banyak masalah. So saya mau itu genset perfect. Dia bagi, okay, spek, saya mau ini spek. Dia tahu lagi, dia tak boleh capai itu spek, impossible punya spek. Tapi sekejap dia habis. Actually, dia bagi projek itu pada dia. Okay, you boleh buat itu, saya bagi 50,000. 50,000 masa itu macam sekarang 500 juta. Okay. Terus dulu jadi satu keti gula pun berapa persen juga. Okay. So lepas dia sudah capai itu, dia pergi minta uang. Just American job. Dia marah, dia resign. Setelah kerja dia campur balik. Satu orang bernama Westinghouse. Westinghouse berubah dia campur balik. Ambil dia, bagi dia lab. So dari lab itu semua sistem elektrik yang kita pakai sekarang memang dari dia. Okay. So actually dia bagi banyak sumbangan pada dunia. Okay. Super genius lah. Satu daripada itu ialah, okay, you see, dia buat satu tower, Tesla Tower. Actually di luar bumi ada satu layer called ionosphera, ionosphere. See, apa ionosphere? You have atom and ion. Jika atom you cabut elektron atau tambah elektron, dia jadi ion. Okay, and then dari ion boleh balik atom. Okay, ion semua jenis ion, walaupun kayu punya ion, atau plastik punya ion, besi punya ion, semua ialah konduktor. Dia boleh kondak elektrik. So dia punya idea ialah dia generate power. Dia generate power bagaimana? You see ya, sorry ya. Oh, itu banyak tenaga itu, gravity. Dia pakai gravity punya tenaga buat elektrik, free. So dia punya idea, dia ini hantar ke ionosphere. So dia terbang sini. So dia ada rumah sini. Di sini satu kaki panjang itu boleh tangkap. Ada kapal sini, simpan sini boleh tangkap. So actually dia buat ini financed by JP Morgan, orang terkaya di dunia masa itu. So dia cakap pada JP Morgan ini khas untuk communicate ke Europe. So JP Morgan, bagus idea. Tapi dia punya idea lain. Actually communicate pada Europe dia sudah buat, itu kacang putih yang dia. So dia punya idea yang lain. So JP Morgan datang untuk site visit. Oh ini boleh buat ini. Okay, JP Morgan tanya, bagaimana yang mau charge orang di Europe ini, orang di Malaysia, kapal tangkap elektrik, bagaimana you charge ya? Tak mau charge, sama bagi free. Orang kaya mana mau dengar free itu? Dia suruh US soldier, army, bom itu. Tak mau tu. So lepas itu dia sedih, dia buat satu kereta. Satu kereta jika di Google Black Magic Car. Black Magic Car. Kita di Google Black Magic Car bisa tengok kereta itu. So dia buat kereta itu tanpa bateri, tanpa minyak, boleh jalan. Okay. So orang lain, tak ada bateri, tak ada minyak, ini Black Magic ni. Okay. So actually dia pakai gravity punya tenaga. So lepas itu dia buat satu kertas, bagaimana dia buat itu Black Magic Car, dan dia potong satu kopi ini dia bagi satu negara besar. Masa itu tak banyak negara lah. Kita semua ada British, dia bagi Japan satu, Germany satu, dan negara USSR, Soviet Union. So saya dengar dia orang sudah combine ini, sudah dapat tenaga ini, tapi dia takut rilis, because nanti banyak ekonomi kritis. Dan lagi satu sumbangan dia buat, dia cakap isi peladang dia pakai banyak baja. So ini ladang. Sini di udara ada nitrogen 70% udara yang ada nitrogen. So baja yang ada nitrogen, apa masalah ambil dari udara pergi tanah? So dia buat satu mesin pakai tenaga free itu. You cangkul, ambil tanah, simpan dalam sini, keluar nitrogen. Tak payah baja lagi. So semua bagus untuk manusia lah. Imagine dunia Tesla yang wujud sekarang. You mandu kucing sampai diri, tak payah isi minyak. Makan sangat murah, because tak payah baja. So dunia yang bagus itu lah. Tapi banyak yang orang kaya tak suka dia. Jadi jika dia punya idea wujud, Cisco mati, Petronas mati, syarikat buat kabel semua mati. Because dia tak pakai kabel, dia boleh hantar to the air. Macam radio 97.7 dari Gunung Serapi sampai kereta kita, dia buat elektrik to the air juga. Okay. So syarikat kabel mati, syarikat kimia yang buat baja mati. Terlalu banyak syarikat akan terjejas kerana dia punya idea semua keluar. Sedangkan syarikat besar cuba mau buang dia punya nama dari buku sains. Hanya satu orang in the end, satu orang saja recognize dia. Ini, terus dia tahu berapa pandai dia. Terus dia punya staff. So in the end dia dapat satu lewat ada Nobel Prize. Biasa orang saintis yang maju bagus dia dapat Nobel Prize. Dia orang kaya, jangan bagi dia Nobel Prize. In the end dia bagi dia Edison lewat. Tapi dia enemy, because dia pakai AC. Dia punya sistem original adalah DC. DC you tak boleh hantar jauh. Okay, macam selalu bangunan macam ini, you ada satu genset dalam bangunan ini. Setelah satu genset, bagus untuk bisnes. Dia mula-mula ikut saintis lama. Saintis lama di lab, dan dia buat satu barang yang canggih di New York, dia demonstrate. Semua orang tengok, ini canggih, tapi tengok beli. So dia promise sendiri, sekarang apa-apa saya buat mesti jual. Okay. So sekarang orang panggil dia first engineer. Engineer ialah setengah businessman, setengah physicist, scientist. You buat apa-apa technician job atau engineering job, jika tak boleh buat uang, itu bukan kerja itu. Apa-apa yang buat mesti buat wang. Baru that's what engineer. Setengah businessman, setengah scientist. So this is the first engineer. So kebanyakan syarikat sekarang ikut dia punya idea. Apa-apa yang buat mesti buat wang. Tapi dia bukan engineer, dia physicist. Tak punya wang. Saya buat untuk sumbangan untuk manusia. So orang kaya semua tak suka dia. Saya tunjuk satu ada movie yang buat nak jadi dua orang. Jadi dia punya hero ialah Faraday, bapa elektrik. Di meja dia di atas ada gambar Faraday.
If my electric current kills, then I deserve to be expected myself.
You hari Kamis ni ah. Masa ini Edison dan Tesla sudah perang media. Edison cakap itu AC yang dibuat oleh Tesla di Westinghouse itu banyak itu. Because dia, of course, dia punya bisnes akan jadi jatuh jika AC keluar. Because Edison punya sistem bagus untuk buat wang. Setiap bangunan dia boleh jual genset. Banyak dia boleh jual. Okay. Datang Tesla punya sistem dari Westinghouse. Sekarang di Sarawak bagaimana? Kebanyakan elektrik di Sarawak dulu. Okay. So dari jauh boleh hantar, AC boleh hantar, DC tidak boleh hantar. Sebabnya kita boleh hantar, because DC tidak boleh pakai transformer. DC tadi saya cakap V ke VI. Transformer boleh naik V sangat tinggi, so I jadi kurang. Tenaga ya macam batang air. I jatuh punya tenaga, itu ada V dan I. Jika you naik V sangat tinggi, I kurang. So I kurang dari pintu sampai sini, the loss dalam line kurang. So untuk pergi lagi jauh yang pergi, lagi tinggi you punya V, lagi bagus. So di Sarawak 275,000 volts dari pintu sampai pergi. Tapi di China lagi jauh, so dia pakai 1,000 kV. So masa itu banyak perang lah. Because Edison tak mau beli dia punya bisnes, so dia cakap itu saya yang pakai itu. So tapi sekarang dia buat satu ceramah untuk buktikan dia punya studi hitam saya. Okay.
Then I deserve to be expected myself. If my electric current kills, then I deserve to be expected myself. Nikki, don't, please.
Okay, ini this is in between lah bila dia betul-betul perang AC dan DC ya. So sekarang dia pergi ini rumah JP Morgan, orang terkaya di dunia lah. So kalau ini cerita yang bagus itu lah.
Mr. Morgan's waiting, sir. He's here, Doctor. Mr. Tesla.
Ini memang ini lah Tesla dan Edison. Ini Edison, ini Tesla, ini JP Morgan.
You don't shake hands, they tell me. Why?
For reasons of that,
Edison here tells me you're always washing your hands 20 times a day, and every time there's got to be a fresh towel. I don't have to ask if you do know each other.
Oh, we know each other all right.
You also tell me you don't take any coffee or tea. So what can I help you?
Some whiskey, perhaps.
Oh, makes you sound almost human.
Jadi masa itu semua orang fikir dia bukan manusia. In fact, saya sekarang pun fikir dia bukan manusia. Because dia punya apa dia buat manusia biasa tak boleh buat. I mean, dia invent satu mesin bukan coba-coba. Invent satu mesin terus dapat sampai mesin jalan dalam otak baru dia buat. Yang roket di otak dia. So bila dia mau minum whisky, oh that sound make you sound almost human.
Oh, we know each other all right.
You also tell me you don't take any coffee or tea. So what can I help you?
Some whiskey, perhaps.
Oh, makes you sound almost human. Tom, give a friend here some whiskey. You know, some people are sure that you're crazy. Others think you're a faker. Now, both those things could be true. You still could be some kind of genius. Sit down, Mr. Tesla. I'd like to know what makes you tick. You know what Edison says about genius?
Yes, one of his pet quotations.
Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. He says you don't inspire enough.
Si apa yang cakap? Biasa saintis cuba-cuba sampai dia dapat. Edison begitu lah. Untuk buat mentol, Edison cuba 1,000 logam yang lain. Finally dia dapat tungsten yang boleh dari mentol yang sama. So Edison begitu. Manusia biasa yang dipilih tak makan buah sampai dapat. Okay. Tapi Tesla, Edison komplain ini bukan saintis ini, it's magician. Okay. Edison punya idea is 99% perspiration. You kulo buat 1% you bangun.
Inspiration and 99. You know what Edison says about genius?
Yes, one of his pet quotations.
Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. He says you don't inspire enough. And for scientific conclusion, he says you don't use any brain work at all. Instead, how did you put it down?
Well, that's Tesla. According to him, he says he gets mental pictures.
Yeah, you get mental picture. Dia mau invent something, terus mental picture dalam otak. Okay, one of the biggest invention sih, ini lampu memang dia punya. And then the induction motor. Motor you punya fan di rumah, blender di rumah. Sekarang merebak lah di seluruh dunia. Semua pakai induction motor dari Tesla. Itu motor susah merosak. Di Comac tidak ada induction motor, jalan angkat 500 kilo. Comac tutup 1 tahun mungkin 1 kali, 1 hari, 2 hari. Otherwise 24 hours jalan 500 kilo. 14 tahun saya di situ langsung satu pun tak rosak. So that's induction motor dari Tesla. Tak ada carbon brush, just jalan saja. So that's why idea Tesla, you boleh pakai lama-lama, tak perlu untuk bisnes.
Mental pictures, that's the word with everything complete down to the smallest detail. Is that how it happened with that brushless commutatorless motor of yours?
Brushless commutatorless motor ialah, because dulu motor biasa rekam brush, itu rekam brush. Tapi dia punya motor first yang langsung tak rekam brush. So that's why dia cakap. And this one dia cakap tentang the invention of induction motor.
That's Tesla. According to him, he says he gets mental pictures. Mental pictures, that's the word with everything complete down to the smallest detail. Is that how it happened with that brushless commutatorless motor of yours? Says here, Tom, that the whole thing just appeared, Mr. Tesla. Some kind of vision.
It was really more like a flash of lightning.
And you got this vision or flash suddenly in the middle of a poem you had to be reciting out in the street somewhere in Hungary.
Yes, it was good.
And what?
He's a German author. I'll send you a translation if you want.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tesla.
The motor was turning in a huge...
Have your whiskey, Mr. Tesla.
Oh, thank you very much. The motor spun in a huge whirlwind of electricity, a rotating magnetic field. Tremendous energy produced by a balance of alternating currents.
Alternating current. I got the patent 6 years later and never...
You hari kami punya. Lumayan.
Detail was just the way it appeared to him in that first mental picture. I haven't got the whole story from it.
What is that thing you're reading there?
It's the file we put together on Mr. Tesla. I never go into anything blind, Tom. You know me well enough to know that. But since you're still working for you, you gave Mr. Tesla a problem to solve for you.
Oh, what of it? I give my people problems all the time.
Well, this one must have been important. Maybe something you couldn't work out for yourself.
Who says so?
Jadi dia tak mau mengaku. Isi yang tadi saya cakap, Tesla dia bagi satu genset untuk bagi sampai satu spek. Actually dia sendiri tak boleh buat. Tapi sekarang dia tak mau mengaku dia tak boleh buat lah. Tapi dia tengok apa yang berguru.
Where'd you get that story?
Talk to people in. Problem to solve for you.
Oh, what of it? I give my people problems all the time.
Well, this one must have been important. Maybe something you couldn't work out for yourself.
Who says so? Where'd you get that story?
You talk to people in your shop.
I could have solved that thing easily, but as it so happens, I was busy with a lot of other problems at the time, like I always am.
The way we heard it, you told Mr. Tesla if he'd work it out for you, give him $50,000, and when he did, you said he didn't understand the American sense of humor.
That is not the reason for it. I am not interested in money.
Ah, sure. Well, I am.
What's the time? Like I always am.
The way we heard it, you told Mr. Tesla if he'd work it out for you, give him $50,000, and when he did, you said he didn't understand the American sense of humor.
That is not the reason for it. I am not interested in money.
Ah, sure. Well, I am. The point is that you've been working for Edison. I was suggesting start working for me. Sit down, Tom. I'm quite finished. Yeah, it's done. Frankly, Commodore, I'm beginning to wonder what the hell I'm doing here. Well, I didn't think it'd be fair to hold this meeting without you. But am I right? It's about the steel works of Pittsburgh. Well, we're still waiting for the electric power, Tom. They can't wait for neither can I. It's been over 5 months now since I submitted my plans to the committee. Mr. Testa has some different ideas. Different? I guess that's one word for it. You know what he did at the Chicago World's Fair? It's all in here. Yes. Up to that time, there were no large polyphase generators in existence. I'd rather hear from Mr. Testa. Sorry. Well, I took 24 500 horsepower generators. Single-phase generators, that is. Couple them all in pairs and then hook them up.
So Tesla jadi famous karena Chicago World's Fair masa itu 1890 okay. Because sebelum itu ada mentor dari Edison, and then orang pakai api lah, okay. Tapi dia pakai ini memang prototype invention of Tesla. So dia pakai ini, and then pakai AC, so sangat terang. Manusia tak pernah tengok begitu terang pada malam. So that's why Edison, Tesla very famous. So ini dia explain bagaimana dia buat itu Chicago World's Fair.
I guess that's one word for it. You know what he did at the Chicago World's Fair? It's all in here. Yes. Up to that time, there were no large polyphase generators in existence. I'd rather hear from Mr. Testa. Sorry. Well, I took 24 500 horsepower generators. Single-phase generators, that is. Couple them all in pairs and then hook them up. So the circuits would be 90 degrees out of phase. Translate that in English. It means I made the equivalent of 12 two-phase generators, each with 1,000 horsepower. It was the first World Fair in history to be lit by electricity. Well, now isn't that funny? Right up to this very minute, I was always under the impression that electric light was something that I invented. Of course. And now I find that Mr. Testa here discovered it. Where the hell do you come off with a report like that on a subject that you couldn't even begin to comprehend? I just collected information, Mr. Edison. I certainly don't pretend to be an educated man of science. Educated, though? Like Tesla?
Tesla ada PhD, ya kita ada.
I certainly don't pretend to be an educated man of science. Educated? Like Tesla? You mean he is educated and I'm not? Oh, Tom, you said that. Well, you don't have to say it. Everybody knows it. Well, you certainly have. So it's Tesla. He came to Stanford before Tesla about poetry. Yeah. Well, I never got near university. I had to teach myself as I went along. Yes. The first thing I learned was respect for the scientific process. Reasoning based on provable assumptions. Controlled experimentation. Trial and error. But an educated man of science, he does everything by guesswork.
See, Edison cakap, scientist mesti cuba sampai dapat. Itu memang sains. Ini orang tak cuba dapat. Bukan sains dia. Bukan saintis dia.
Respect for the scientific process. Reasoning based on provable assumptions. Controlled experimentation. Trial and error. But an educated man of science, he does everything by guesswork. He doesn't even have ideas, he has hunches. I wonder if he's got a haywire over this AC business. AC, alternating current, right, Tom? There's nothing right about it at all. Mr. Edison's whole system has been based right from the beginning on direct current. Tesla? Despite all evidence, he has convinced the system of alternating current will not work. Oh, I see. A man of visions and lightning flashes feels that Thomas Edison is suffering from delusions. Simmer down, Tom. Tell us about Franklin.
So dia orang because Edison sudah failed di US, so dia masih pakai AC di US. Dan dia tak mau AC keluar. So tapi di Germany orang sudah pakai Tesla punya idea. So sudah hantar elektrik jauh pakai AC. So ini jadi bukan di Tesla di bawah hidung kita tak pakai dia. Germany sudah pakai.
Frankfurt, Germany, Tom. Or don't you know what happened in Frankfurt? Adams, Thomas Edison. What happened in Frankfurt, Germany?
A man called Illegal, another man called...
The hell with the names, just tell me what they did.
They've just managed to transmit electricity over a distance of 160 kilometers.
And they were using Tesla system. Well, someone in Europe, for God's sake, we've got Tesla right here under our noses. We'll get together with General Electric. I'll take care of the financial side. We're going to build that power station in Niagara right away.
And what system are you going to use?
That's what I'm giving it a try.
It's a useless complication, Mr. Plum, and besides that, it's dangerous. By the way, I have the goddamn thing prohibited by law.
Dia juga dia mau buat undangan. Jika dia ada cara dia mau buat undangan ban AC. Dia cakap AC bayar, AC boleh bunuh orang, DC boleh bunuh orang. In fact satu ciptaan Edison ialah electric chair pakai AC. Dia pakai DC boleh bunuh, tapi dia pakai AC boleh bunuh.
I hope you aren't leaving. We haven't finished our card game. Just don't slam the door. That's every time. My friend Edison's stubborn man Tesla, he's also the greatest inventor in the history of the world. If you can prove him wrong just once, I won't say I'll be happy. And I'll tell you this. You and I are in business.
Kita you tengok movie ya. Ada satu movie Inconvenient Truth. Inconvenient Truth, documentary movie lah. Ada yang buat oleh former Vice President US Argo. So dia cakap tentang dunia sekarang jadi panas lah, global warming. Okay. So dia cakap karena terlalu banyak CO2, carbon dioxide di udara. So bagaimana dia dapat cari data itu di Arctic, di utara itu banyak ice memang selalu ada ice. So dia ambil satu ball, so dia ambil keluar itu ada layer of ice, satu layer 1 tahun. So you boleh beribu-ribu tahun dulu punya CO2 yang sekarang punya CO2. So dia punya graf begitu. Dia punya graf beribu-ribu tahun sampai 1900 dan naik sedikit lah, suddenly the last 100 years dia naik terus tinggi. So sekarang ada banyak disaster Japan, terus di New York. So exactly masa ini Tesla bagi idea ini semua. Jika manusia ikut Tesla punya idea masa ini, itu juga boleh manusia tak pernah ikut. Tapi ini idea macam saya cakap lah, Tesla sudah bagi semua negara yang besar. Dia cakap, you semua jadi kawan, you dapat idea saya, free energy saya. So saya dengar sudah ada, dia sudah combine idea ini semua. So di China saya dengar ada motorbike tanpa bateri, tanpa minyak, berada. Tapi dia good release lah, banyak kalau dia just saya tunjuk satu movie lagi yang tunjukkan Tesla punya Tesla Coil itu dan